Alrighty, what's up everybody? As always, I am Door, and today we're going to go ahead and take a look at Gunsmith the game. It's over on Steam. It's been there. I don't know if it's on anything else, but I've played this for a little while. It's just now entered into Phase 2 pre-alpha. So they added in more factories. I believe they added in explosives. We're going to go ahead and do The World Is Your Own. So we have like the sandbox world, I believe, but not the sandbox money, because this starts you off with infinite money, pretty much. I don't know how you would even spend it all. When the game first, well, since I played the game, you've only ever been allowed to play as the U.S. unless there were certain ways to unlock the other countries. I don't think there was, but now you can play as the UK, you can play as Russia, or you can play as China. And that's about it. So we're going to go ahead and click on over to the US. We're going to go ahead and I believe there's a little cutscene they added that gives you a little backstory on how you came into owning this new factory thingy.
Use the front door with the padlock. Unfortunately, there's not a lot left. Much of it was reclaimed by creditors after you passed away.
Unless that was in the game prior to this update. I'm not sure because I've always played on mute, so it could have been in the game for a while. So we have our little entrance here. Our workers can unload their stuff in their locker room. Got a little break room here. This is a new loadout. It used to be one long hall, and then it would split here somewhere down another long hall, and then it would be another long hall going this way, and then on the side there would be another long hall. So, that's what I forgot about this game. Okay. First off, we need to go ahead and set up our production line. And for right now, I believe the only thing we should be able to make is gloves. So this is the purchasing market, pretty much. We got research we can do. Let's see, they add anything new to research? Doubles, computer things, Let's see what else we got. We got three-way splitter. I think that's new. Pretty sure that's new, the three-way splitter. Flow cross, flow split. No, I think those have been in the game. What else we got? We got explosives now. So that's cool. We can make grenades and stuff now, and TNT sticks. We can make... Oh, that's it. Okay. I thought it was like C4 and stuff as well. Oh no, I didn't mean to close it all the way. And then we got our gun production, and we got different types of guns we can make. Those have been in here for a little while as well. So this is pretty much all the steps. So right now we need to buy probably... let's go ahead and set our RP to spend. What do we have right now, money wise? 125. Let's spend 25,000. There we go, 25,000. So once our money drops, then we know we can go ahead and take that off because it will drain us every day. So here we go. For the initial production line, we're gonna need gloves, I believe. So we can go ahead and open up orders, and we can go ahead and take them so that we can start generating money here. So the US wants 280 gloves, 240 gloves, 240, 240, 240, 240. Now we can either take stuff from Russia, or we can just deny them, which I don't know. Workers are assigned, look for bright future. Okay, cool. So our money just drained because a new day. Let's go ahead and cancel this out so we don't lose any more money. So we have 625 points we can put into our research. For right now, we're going to go ahead and turn these guys away. Anything that's not US or the UK. Right here, you can see your reputation with the countries and stuff. So doing business with the U.S. is going to get us into the CIA and the police. We can also do work with Germany and the UK. If I do anything with these two, Russian and Chinese governments, it will decrease our reputation a little bit. I don't think it's that drastic. But each thing has its own reputation, and I believe it just pays out better when you get them to a high enough thing. So we're not going to take any more glove orders for the moment. We need to set this thing in motion. So we're going to need another dispenser. I already see that off the bat. We're going to need you to give me fabric. The fabric's going to feed into this thing, which is then going to make the glove. I believe we can go ahead and cut this out of the equation there. Let's get this as close as we can. Nope, 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 nope. Why can that get closer, but this can't? It's getting real dark there. So let's go. That should be lined up, I believe. Yeah. But then I can't get it in there, so we're going to need a space, actually. Let me go ahead and buy a dispenser. Dispenser, we're going to need you there. Going to need you doing plastic. We can also get rid of this guy. Let's go and line these guys up as much as we can here. No real point, just if you can make them as compact as you can, it saves space, so you can cram more. You can cram more things into your area to produce more stuff. Get rid of that guy. Put this one here. We need you spitting out plastic. We need you melting it down. You're going to do it anyways. You're going to need to turn those into those. And then it comes down to here, goes into here, merges into being a full-fledged glove. Those gloves then need to be sewn up into higher risk, Germany. Today, yeah, sure. I think that just gives us different contracts for different stuff. Let's move you over there, move you over there, turn this guy this way, and then we can smack this one back over here. I think we can just do this. Nope. Like that. Dang it, mouse button. Like that. Okay. And then it'll automatically go onto my shelving units back there. Once it hits this ramp, it'll slide down and it'll go into there. So now we need to hire a dude. We need to hire a dude over here. Let's put it over here. We need to also hire a dude. Management. We need to hire a line worker. Crew to line worker. We need to add him into that one. Cool. We need this thing to then control these things. And then once they're all connected, these computer units have a limitation to how many they can control at one time. Where does it say? It says 8 out of 10. In the research thing, you can up this to, I think, 16, I believe. So, comes in handy. Now that everything is on, we're going to start seeing everything start getting spit out here. The gloves are moving. And then we should see a box here in a minute. Let me go ahead and get these things over out of the way. We can go ahead and research something as well here. I think there's a maintenance charge to these. There's our first thing of gloves. Let's go ahead and get these things out of the way. I don't think the maintenance charge is too high up. If there is a maintenance charge at all for these, I'm not quite sure. I don't remember. Is there? Maintenance of $5. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So we have, I think it's 20s. Boxes of 20. Where's our orders? Active orders, we have 60 right now. We're about to have 80. Yeah. So this will start going here. I believe we can get this thing. Oh, you know what? We're not going to have enough material here. Let's go ahead and change this to 500. I'll buy 500 sheets and 500 plastic. There we go. And so it keeps producing plastic and stuff. So let's go ahead and look at our research line here. We have 600 points. We can buy a zipper, which will give us boots, I believe. Boots or pants. We can do this thing over here, which will give us... Oh no, we need this thing first, actually. We need this thing and the zipper. So... Oh, it wants the zipper, actually. It wants the zipper first. So let's go ahead and research the zipper. How many points was that? 15 points. Okay. So now we just gotta wait for that thing to research. The machines and stuff have maintenance. So right here we have 5 repair tools. We can go ahead and repair stuff ourselves. Or we can also hire a worker, which is... You need... This one? No. This one. Yeah. So you need one of these tables. They'll produce their own little repair tools, and they'll keep your your stuff running smoothly. I did stop playing this for a little while. I had a factory set up. I was trying to cram one of everything in it, but I don't think that was possible. Maybe I'm wrong, but I had a lot of walkways and stuff over the conveyor belts and stuff, and for whatever reason my workers were just walking right through the staircases like they weren't there and getting stuck behind them because they can go through them but they couldn't get back out of them. Or I'd have them walk over the ramping or the scaffolding, and I keep hitting that button to close that window, and I just keep opening up that other window, and they just fall through and get stuck in between the conveyor belts. So we can go ahead and turn in our first thing of gloves for 280. It's a cool 1,900 bucks. Yeah. So that's pretty much what you do in here. Let me go ahead and see. Did this thing finish researching? No. Okay. Well, what we'll go ahead and do then, while we're waiting for that to research, we can go ahead and smack another thing down right here. Is there a faster way to move these things? Yeah, kind of. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and do, what do we have on power? We have 194 out of 200, so we're going to have to put down some more power things, which are over here. Okay. We'll deal with that in a minute. We're going to go ahead and smack down some more of these. Actually, I think these two things are enough to support 2 of these things. Actually, no, it's not. Man working for the intense, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so they want 500 gloves. This is from the first the little thingamabobber. So, looking at this screen, this thing's enough to keep up with one of these machines. Or maybe this thing can keep up with multiple machines. But this thing can keep up with one, or can feed 2 at a time. And then we need 2 of these guys making gloves to produce enough to double up our effort here. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna need another. What is this? A merger. We need a merger. We don't need a melter and cooker. We need one of those guys, which is a sewer. And I keep doing that. This thing, okay. So let's see. Are you done yet? We really need you to be done. Cool. And then we need a splitter. $5,000 and 35 research points to up our stuff here. 30 points. We got enough points to do it. Let me go ahead and do this, just so we can go ahead and get double the gloves being produced at the moment. We're about to run out of space here, so let's go ahead and turn one of these in. Actually, let's go ahead and smack down some more storage here. Can I not put this on top? Why is it okay, I guess it's just not it's not snapping to like specific. Dang it, I keep doing that. Why are you not centering? Don't like that. Sit over there. Okay, and then we dropped the box, so we can go ahead and hit F. Gives us our little vacuum tool to vacuum up the stuff. So yeah, so we're gonna hook a splitter up into this guy. We're gonna rearrange this as well. We might also have to hire another worker. Once this ticks over to day 6, we should be good. So let's see, we're gonna need a sower as well. You're gonna need to go that way. Actually, maybe I didn't need that. Actually, I could probably have these 2 feed through that one sower. I probably don't need this guy. Let me put him off to the side. You can go there. We are gonna go ahead and try and squeeze in the thingamabobber over there. Let's see, we got 90 grand. Where's my splitter gonna go? Is it over here? Nope. There we go. Okay, we only need one of you. We might actually need 2 of you now that I'm looking at it, because we need the thingy over there as well. Okay, let's see. We need if this thing just outputted a little bit faster would be good, but it doesn't. Let me go ahead and stop all this stuff over here. Or are we at 500 gloves so we can give them to this dude? We are. Get out of here. 100, okay. Let me go ahead and stop production, please. Boop. Alright. So, let's see. Let's go ahead and change this guy over to gloves as well. You're going to be making gloves. Okay, so let's see. You can go over there, you can go over there. You can go over there, you can go over there. Alright, so what we can do is we can go ahead and move these guys over here, right? And then we can have a splitter feeding directly into the machine. Actually, we need to move you a little more. Have it feeding directly into the machine. That is not going to work because it's really big. Okay. Let's see. Do those exits line up with these ones at least? Yes. Okay, so we can go ahead and cram that in there like that. We can feed you into the back of it. That one can go there. And then like that. This is still plastic? It is. Okay. So the plastic will come out. It'll be split into both of them, producing that stuff. This guy's going to go ahead and have to be turned a little bit. You're going to go that way, that way. We can get both of these into the same line. Yep. Going through the sower. It'll go through that, and then it'll spit it onto the bridge, or the unloading dock. Okay. So that's the plastic done. Now we We might not need the second splitter. We can just, actually, would you? Do we? Maybe not, actually, now that I'm looking at it. No, stop, close, go away. Okay, so we have a ton of these things, right? We can just go ahead and connect these in like this. And then we need one that will connect to the side. We can also research half tracks, half conveyors, so that we can squeeze things in a little bit better. Are they not a thing anymore? Oh, they are right here. Okay. Research, please. Okay, and then we're gonna have these ones come down. I want to leave a space because just in case I end up hiring a dude, he can get in between the machines here. You know what? For right now, I think maybe, yeah, whatever. We'll just smack another sewer right here. Save ourselves this little mess we're making. There, and then you connect into that. They lined up. No. Oh, wait. What? Oh, this is the dispenser, genius. Oh, no, what did I do? Oh, I opened up that tool wrench menu on accident. Dang it. Oh, yeah. Okay, I know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, but I know what I'm doing. Boom. Right. And then boom. Can we scoot you over a little more? Bam. There we go. Okay. So fabric sheets. And then we're going to need to buy more conveyor belts here in a second. You can go there. You can go there. All right. And then kablamo. Kablamo. $1,500 or 15,000. Someone from Jerry. Okay, yeah, sure. How do I need to connect these to a splitter. I feel like I'm making this way more complicated than I need to be making it this early on. So put the splitter here. And then we'll feed out from there. Give me conveyor belts. Is there enough room back there? There is. Okay, I have the little nub ones now. So if we need them, like in that spot right there, we might need one. Boop. And boop. Okay. It's relatively quick when you can get things flowing. And once you start unlocking more and more of these things, you can get them going together pretty quickly here. Okay, so that is our glove line. Pretty much complete. Just want to make sure I don't have anything not selected to do what it's supposed to do. Okay. So now you can go over there. That's fine. So we have 8 out of 10 things connected to the system. 8, 9, 10. So we need to hire one more dude for one machine. Oof. Okay. here. Create a new station. Hire a dude. Line worker, boom. Okay, and then you need to run that machine only. That should be everything up and running. We also need... It's not going to tell us how much we need. We can figure it out right now. Boop. So let's just put down another 100 worth of power here. 2,000 apiece. These things also need maintenance. So let's go ahead and put it there. That 100? It was 200. Okay, each one's 100. I did not realize that. So now we should be good and up and able to run. Everything's green. This is not green. Why are you not green? That's new. Weekly reports. Okay, you need to connect to this guy. There we go. We should be up and running on everything. Plenty of gloves going through the system. We're going to start churning them out pretty quickly here. Uh-oh. Yep. There we go. Turn that one the wrong way. And everything else is pointing the right way, correct? Cool. So when you vacuum up the material that's sitting on the floor like that, like I just picked up a bunch of the fabric sheets, luckily they'll just go right back into here because that's what they are. But if you do it from like this thing, which turns them into the plastic blocks, you then need to put down another dispenser somewhere that will... Oh wait, that's the input. The output's these things, the little plastic fittings. So you need to put down another dispenser in the line somewhere if you don't want to have a buildup of this stuff. Because every now and again, it happens where you move a machine and delete it or whatever. Or you do what I just did there and put a conveyor belt backwards like a dum-dum. And then you run into that issue. And it's whatever. It's not too bad. At least you always know you have something in storage should you need it. Let's do another 1,000 there. Let's do 1,000 there. So now we have belts, or not belts. We have pants, combat vest, the boots, and the backpacks. So we can go ahead and set all of these up pretty much. We have everything for the pants. We have everything for the vest there. Am I missing anything for any of these? I don't think I am. Yeah, we have all we need for the boots, and we have all we need for the stuff as well. So every now and again you do see this stuff where it says like sewing level 2. What you can go ahead and do is you can have it run through 2 of these things. That counts as sewing twice. There are other stuff though. When you start getting into the bullets and I get the bullets and the guns, where it wants you to heat them up like 3 times or 2 times or 4 times or what have you. So you would need, this is only a single entrance. This one counts as a double because it's longer. And then this one has, I believe that counts as a double as well. Yeah, level 2 heating. Except this one has a 2-track. So you can heat, like you can merge a line together and go through one heating unit. Which is kind of nice. So it's just like stacking pretty much. So if something needs 2 sewings, it just stack 2 singles next to each other. Or needs 2 to 4 heating, you stack whatever heating units you have into a line and have it heat up that way. So we need to put down, oh actually we do have some stuff already. We need to put down some stuff so these people don't get mad. I'll put a TV down. We'll put a plant down. Boop. Put a little table down too. There you go. Now you have one of everything. Let's see. What else can we do? We are out of storage again, so that's becoming a bit of an issue. We can go ahead and upgrade our things so we can put 4 on top. We can also upgrade to bigger and bigger things. Storage racks. Let's go ahead and do the 4-stack one at the moment. Should be good there. We have, what do we still have? We have 480 points still to upgrade. Can I move these things away from the wall? Because they're acting real weird. And they're not letting me stack correctly. Okay, there we go. And you hug that. Thank you. Back on there. I'll rearrange this stuff. I don't have it yet. There we go. It's all just you don't want your boxes and stuff sitting on the floor, because once you start getting into having maintenance workers and stuff walking around, they will just walk right through the boxes and they'll explode all over your area. I also think, I don't think you can sell these if they're not on your rack. So like we have this guy, can't turn it anymore. But we have another 90, no, we have another 120 on the rack, and then we have these on the floor. So once we do that, we should be able to sell. Yeah, we should be able to complete some of these. There we go. By some of these, I mean one of these. Why did these have a lightning bolt over their head? Oh, because these things broke down over here and we need to maintenance them. Okay. And then once that completes, there we go. Everything should turn back on. Yeah. Oops. There we go. Okay. So again, yeah, that's something we need to, we can either address early on, or we can just try and stay ahead of it with the little tool ourselves. So we can look at the globe, because you can have multiple factories now. So I think we're here now. We can go ahead and move around. So we can probably open up one in the UK, since we're going to be doing business with them only. I don't see Germany on here. Does that not count as its own little thingamabobber? Okay. Close out of that, please. What else do we got? We just got the 4-stack. The 4-stack thingamabobber. Oh, did it again. Not gonna learn. Okay, so let's see. We can go ahead and set up boots and all the other stuff. Or we can just jump right out and start buying into guns and stuff. But we do need we need stuff to be able to produce money. Can you not expand this factory anymore? That's weird. Research, is it in here now? Oh, you can't click on that. That's a gun. Control thingies. Huh, yeah, I guess you can't. And that's why you would open another factory in another area? How much would that be right now? If I go here. Change factory, open new factory. Ooh, can I open new factories here? Factory 1 producing value of $1,000. Running cost of $600. How would I open a factory? Next factory report. So maybe this one has to get to a certain profitability? Or we need to up our whatchamacallit with this country? Okay, cool. Okay, I did not know that was how it's done now. So I think next episode we'll go ahead and we'll lay out a double production just like we did for the gloves here for everything else that we can. So we'll treat this initial first factory as our clothing factory. It'll be a double up on everything. Yeah. Yeah, it should be big enough. I don't think anything really exceeds the size of this. It's probably from like the wall to maybe this next pillar is the biggest thing the next thing's going to be. So it shouldn't be too much of an issue. But we'll go ahead and set that in motion next episode. Yeah. And then I'll dump some more. In between episodes here, I'll go ahead and buy some more unlocks and stuff. And then next episode, we can go ahead and get everything else up and running over here in the factory. We might also hire a maintenance dude because stuff's starting to break down. We need to put a ladder in between here, or a staircase in between there. I stopped doing that. Okay, anyways. Yeah, I think that's going to go ahead and be it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed as always, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.